When you're getting a surety bond for the first time, it can be pretty confusing, there's no doubt about it. That's why I'm going to show you how to search for your surety bond so that you can find the exact bond that you need and not waste time. Listen, we're going to go over 6 examples today, right here. It's only take a couple minutes. Use the timestamps in the description. If you know like the type of bond you need, this will be really fast for you. But I promise, if you just give me a few minutes now, I will save you hours of time later. Okay, first things first. Do not search for surety bond. Surety bond is just a general term. It's kind of like all-encompassing for all these different types. It's not going to get you anywhere. Example 1, are you getting a license? So if you're getting a license to be able to do your job, search by your license category. For example, if you're becoming a concrete contractor, search for contractor bond, and then you'll be able to go and click on your state. If you're becoming a mortgage broker, search for mortgage bond, and then same thing, you'll be able to go click on your state. If you're becoming an insurance adjuster, search for independent adjuster, and then you can go click on your state. So again, doesn't matter, there's lots of different licenses. Search for your license category. Example 2, are you getting a permit? So permits, they're a little tougher only because they're mainly given out at the local level. And most of the time it's going to be if you're a contractor for the contracting space. So if you're a contractor and you need a permit, search for permit bond, click on your state, and you probably won't see the exact permit you need. So just request a quote and tell us what the permit's for. We'll make sure that we have the right bond form and be able to help you. There are other permits. The most popular that's not in the construction space would be a trucking oversized overweight permit. So if you search for oversized overweight, you'll see that it pops right up. You can click on it and then go request pricing. Example 3, contract or performance bond. So contract and performance bonds are almost always in the construction space. So if you're a contractor and you're working on one single project that you need to get bonded for, go search for contract construction bond. It'll pop right up. Tell us the bond amount or the project amount. We'll be able to help you go from there. Now, if you're not a contractor and say you're like a commercial janitorial company and you're working on a contract for a big building, search for performance bond and the same thing, tell us the amount of that contract and then we'll be able to help you get the right bond from that point forward. Example 4, do you collect special taxes? So if your business collects special taxes, think alcohol, tobacco, fuel, or lottery games, you need to search for the type of tax that you're collecting. It's usually that simple. So if you're, again, searching alcohol, search for alcohol tax. However, keep in mind that some states have certain like special taxes, like Texas, the mixed beverage tax. You can search for Texas mixed beverage tax. It'll pop right up. Or maybe a wine tax. It'll pop right up. But 99% of the time, search for the type of tax that you're having to get the surety bond for, and we will then be able to help you make sure you get the right form and the right amount and get you pricing. Example 5, probate or court bonds. All right, so this one's pretty easy. If you just search for probate bond, you'll see it pops right up, and then you can see, if you click on it, you'll go get a list of all the different court bonds. And you then find the one you need from there. But if you know, like, for example, you're an administrator of an estate, search for administrator bond. It'll pop right up. If you know you're going to be a guardian over a minor, type in guardianship, and it'll pop right up. And so if you, again, you search for the type of court bond you need, it will pop right up. Example 6, vehicle title bonds. And finally, if you need to get a vehicle titled, I just want you to search for a certificate of title bond. It'll pop right up. You can click on it, click on your state, and then you'll have the instructions for your particular state. Now listen, these examples, they're going to get you to your bond about 96% of the time. It should be just what you need. If you still can't find your bond, just kind of go back to the idea of searching for the category first. And if you're still confused, just give us a call. The number is actually in the description. It's on our website. We'll do it for you. And the reason this is so important is because every surety bond for your particular scenario is going to have its own bond form. That's like unique to your bond. It's going to have its own bond amount. That's unique to your bond. We need to get those two things right. Otherwise, you're going to have to start this process all over again. And I don't want you to have to waste time doing that. So click on the link in the description and go search for your bond. There's no obligation to purchase anything. Just find it, get a price so that you can make the right decision for you.